Imagine a scenario where someone commits a serious offense in a foreign country, but due to their diplomatic status, they are immune from prosecution. This situation raises questions about diplomatic immunity, a privilege granted to diplomats that exempts them from the jurisdiction of local laws and courts in the host country. Diplomatic immunity is rooted in international law and treaties, designed to facilitate diplomacy by ensuring that diplomats can perform their duties without fear of harassment or legal repercussions. It is based on the principle that diplomats represent their home countries and should not be subject to the legal systems of host countries, which could potentially be influenced by political motivations. For example, if a diplomat from country A is involved in a traffic accident in country B, they may not be detained or prosecuted under country B's laws, even if they are at fault. Instead, the diplomat's home country handles any legal consequences or disciplinary actions. Historically, diplomatic immunity has been recognized for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations where emissaries and envoys were granted safe passage and protection. Today, it is governed by the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations, a treaty adopted in 1961 that outlines the rights and responsibilities of diplomats and diplomatic missions. Diplomatic immunity covers various aspects, including personal inviolability, protection from arrest or detention, immunity from jurisdiction, exemption from civil and criminal prosecution, and immunity from taxation and customs duties. These protections extend not only to diplomats themselves, but also to their families and certain categories of diplomatic staff. Facts and figures related to diplomatic immunity can vary depending on diplomatic relations and international agreements. According to the United Nations, there are over 190 states that are party to the Vienna Convention, indicating widespread adherence to diplomatic norms and practices. While diplomatic immunity serves important diplomatic functions, it can also lead to controversies and challenges. Instances where diplomats abuse their privileges or are involved in serious crimes sometimes strain diplomatic relations between countries. Efforts to balance diplomatic immunity with accountability and justice continue to evolve, emphasizing the importance of mutual respect and cooperation in international diplomacy. In summary, diplomatic immunity is a crucial aspect of international relations that ensures diplomats can carry out their duties effectively. However, it also raises ethical and legal considerations regarding justice, accountability, and the rule of law in cross-border interactions. Understanding diplomatic immunity helps navigate its complexities and implications in global diplomacy.